Welcome to Top Picks, your ultimate destination for the top picks of all things captivating and remarkable.
Russia depicts Su-57 stealth fighter as mechanized monster. Moscow to ramp up the production of the Felon.
Russia's Rostec presented striking examples of Russian weapons, depicted as fantastic mechanized monsters: the 5th-generation Su-57 fighter, the T-90M tank, the Lancet UAV, the Pantsir anti-aircraft missile, Ka-50 to attack chopper and heavy flamethrower system TOS-1A, Solntsepek. In this project, we represent the military equipment that the state corporation participating in the NMD. As mechanized monsters, 90% of the military equipment used in the Special Operations Zone was produced at Rostec Enterprises. All these weapons have their unique but invariably formidable character. Hope you would have liked our video. Subscribe our channel for more amazing videos.